Welcome to an enlightening exploration of chakra meditation. In this video, we will delve into the profound benefits of this practice and guide you through the process of aligning and balancing your body's 7 energy centers. Welcome, dear viewers, to our enlightening journey through the realm of chakra meditation. Today, we are going to explore the manifold benefits of this ancient practice and guide you through the process, so you too can harness the power of your energy centers. Chakras, in the simplest terms, are energy points within our bodies. There are 7 primary chakras, each representing different aspects of our physical, emotional, and spiritual selves. From our root chakra, which grounds us, to our crown chakra, connecting us to the universe, each chakra plays a crucial role in maintaining our overall well-being. Chakra meditation has numerous benefits. It improves your physical health by promoting better energy flow, which can reduce physical pain and aid in healing. It enhances your mental and emotional health, reducing anxiety and stress, and promoting a sense of inner peace and balance. Furthermore, by connecting with your spiritual self, chakra meditation fosters self-awareness, cultivates inner peace, and empowers you to understand and fulfill your life's purpose. Now, let's delve into the process of chakra meditation. First, find a quiet and peaceful place where you can meditate without interruptions. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, hold for a moment, then exhale slowly. Repeat this a few times to help your body relax. Begin your meditation by focusing on the root chakra, located at the base of your spine. Visualize a red light glowing and spinning, this light representing your connection to the earth, grounding you. Inhale deeply, imagining this energy center filling with vitality, and exhale any tension or fear that may reside there. Next, move your focus up to the sacral chakra, located just below the navel. Visualize an orange light, signifying creativity and pleasure. Breathe in positivity, breathe out negativity. Continue this process, working your way up through each chakra. The solar plexus chakra glows yellow, representing confidence and personal power. The heart chakra is green, denoting love and compassion. The throat chakra shines blue, signifying communication and expression. The third eye chakra, located on the forehead, glows indigo, representing intuition and wisdom. Finally, the crown chakra at the top of your head shines violet, connecting you to the universe and divine consciousness. Spend some time with each chakra, visualizing its color, feeling its energy, and releasing any blockages with your breath. Remember, this is a personal journey, and there's no right or wrong way to do it. What's most important is your intention and your willingness to connect with yourself on a deeper level. We hope this guide will aid you in your journey of chakra meditation. Embrace the process, and witness the transformation within yourself. Thank you for joining us today on this journey through chakra meditation. Here at Meditation Tips, we are dedicated to sharing practices that enhance your inner peace and well-being. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you won't miss our upcoming videos. We always love hearing from you, so don't forget to leave a comment below about what you'd like us to cover in future videos. Until next time, stay mindful and keep meditating.